What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at some in-ear monitor headphones. So these were sent out to me by the company Basn. So a big shout out to them for sending these over for a review. Now you can pick these up on Amazon.com. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. These are the Basn Metalen edition. And like I said, you can get these on Amazon. You can get these in a variety of colors here. You got your light blue, which is going to look like this right here. They're going to be $117.99. You can get your coffee, $117.99. That's some nice look right there. The white ones look dope as well. Right there for $117.99. The sapphire right here, which is nice with that blue. You got your gray ones, $109.99. You got your glossy black right there, going to be $117.99. And I got the matte black ones, the ones I chose right here, and they are $109.99. Some of the other features and details. This is innovative technology, CNC stricture, sweat-proof earbuds. You get triple drivers, actually 4 drivers. You're going to get 2 balanced armature drivers, 10mm dynamic diagram unit drivers as well. This is going to be compatible with any 3.5 audio device, as you guys see right there. And there's a nice picture of it. So you guys can go over and read up all the specs on this. They have a ton of specs listed over here that you can go read. These going to be over-the-ear configuration as well. What else we got here? Professional noise isolating earbuds. And just a lot of stuff you can go read up on about these. The cables on these going to be 4.9 feet long. And that is it. So here's the packaging. Very nice packaging here. You got their name there. That's a very nice color of the in-ear monitor. Two dynamic drivers and 2 balanced armatures. Metalen. You see gray and black right there. And then here's some more specs on the back. I'll let you guys look at that and pause it and read it. You're going to have the silver-plated OFC cables. And this is titanium alloy earphone shell. So going to be very nice built. So here's the inner box. You see there, you got their website there. And let's go ahead and get into the box and check this out. All right, so whoa, nice presentation here. The same type of box that I got before. Carrying case here, this is a hard shell. See, you got their name there. Now let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what's inside of it. All right, so we got some goodies in here. See what's in this packaging here. So you got a cleaning tool to clean your earbuds when they get kind of dirty there. You got a clip. You're gonna have a big plug here. No, I'm not even sure what size that is, but it's huge. And then you're going to get your variety of ear tips. Go ahead and empty these out. So here they are. And these feel like there is some foam in them. So I'm not sure. I'm not an audiophile, so I don't know the correct terminology here. So here's your 3.5 here. This is the cable. You do have an inline control here as well. Right there. Cable management on there as well. And then here's your next one. So this one definitely has a unique look, as you guys see. Wow, very nice. Now this one doesn't have the inline control. Right there, your 3.5, and this is where you connect it to your in-ear monitors. And in comparison, you see this one is kind of a braided 2-tone color. And that is pretty much it in the packaging. Very nice box that it comes with. Get a lot of stuff here, guys. And then here are the in-ear monitors. So very nice. Let's take a look at one at a time. You got their branding on here. get that to focus. There it is. So very nice. It's marked right there. There's some writing on the top here. It looked like just telling you which model this is and something else. I'm not really sure what that says, but very nice feeling, man. These are very nice. You can tell they're metal, and this one's going to have the left on it. So I'm going to get this cleaned up, and then we'll take a closer look, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these tips off here. These are memory foam silicone tips. I have smaller ears, so I'm going to change these out. But the smallest ones they have here, because I do have issues with the ones that go into your ear channel, becoming very uncomfortable very quick for me. So let's get the smallest ones here and check these out. So very easy to pop those on there, and there it is. So I think I'm going to use the cable with the inline microphone for now. Get this loose. Like I said, these cables are 4.9 feet long according to what they had there in the description. So to plug these in, I'm going to just go here just like that. Snaps in place just like that. You see you got your swivel there. This will go around your ear just like that. And then let's get the other one here. Snap these in place. So I'm going to get a device and plug these in and use them for a little while, and then I'll come back and give you my non-audiophile opinion on what I think of these. But very nice build, and they look good. So let's go. All right, guys, so we're back in, and I have had a chance to use these for a few hours now. I use them with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 right there. I also plugged them to my MacBook over here to the side, and I listen at tons of different genres of music, country, soul, rock, just the top 20 countdown, all of that stuff. And I have to tell you, I think these are excellent. Has great bass, mids and highs are solid. Everything sounds well balanced, but they do, if you're a bass head, they put out great bass. Now, I just been enjoying these, made a phone call with these. They sound great. Now, the one with the inline switch, this doesn't have the volume up and down or anything like that. That's just only going to be to pause and start and hang up your calls. But I got to tell you, man, I'm not an audiophile, but I do like these. The comfort in the ears were just right. I put the smaller tips on there, and I'm telling you, for the last couple of hours, I forgot they were in my ears. And I like jazz, so I got this one jazz station on Pandora. It's called Funk Jazz Radio, and this cut right here by Trombone Shorty, it's called Shortyville. I put that in there. All of the jazz stations, well, all stations were great, but when I started listening to this jazz station that I like, oh man, it just brought everything to life in those selections that I chose. These are very nice, man. Now, like I said, I got a couple of more of them. I got the one from Chewy, I think that's called. And then I got the original ones that I got from them as well. Now, these are a barrel type. Let's get this open. Yeah, right here. Now, this one came with a lot of cables and different things too, but this is the style that they had. And this one wasn't as comfortable because it didn't contour to my ears very well, but excellent sound from these. And you see they give you all the stuff in the packaging as well. But these, the way they're designed and the way they fit my ears, are very comfortable. Now, a lot of times I get ear fatigue from this style very easily, but these are silicone foam tips on there. And these just seem to work, man. They contour to my ears. You got this wraparound style right there, and they stayed in. And I like I said, I just about forgot I was so immersed into the music. And I truly do think these are worth the $109. Coming from someone who's not an audiophile, but everything sounds crystal clear to me. Now, I'm using this with a Type-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter here by SyncWire. And this does have a little DAC in it. I'll drop a link in the description for that as well. But when I had it hooked up to my MacBook, it was going straight in and it still sound great. No difference in the sound quality from this cable to this one that I could hear. But I really enjoy these. These definitely going in my bag, and they will be going with me everywhere I go. So I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick these up. These are the Basn Metalen in-ear monitors headphones. I'm Will H. This is Will H. Gadgets and More. I'm out.